Let's be honest, likes feel good. You get that dopamine hit every time you see that notification count climbing. But there's a difference between a fleeting movement of fame and building a real, sustainable business. I want to tell you a creator I knew. Let's call her Sarah. She stopped posting short form high-end videos and exploded overnight. She went from few hundred followers to millions. Every post got tens and thousands of likes. She was a viral sensation. But here's the problem. 6 months later, her brand was gone. Her community was gone. Her business, it never even started. She got all the likes, all the views, but she got zero loyalty. Why? What did she miss? We're going to uncover the answer to that question today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create content that makes people follow you for life, not just double tap and scroll. Because the truth is, likes don't pay bills, trust does. Hey guys, this is Uday and you're watching Channel Operation. Here we break down the fundamentals behind the product, brand and marketing. Most creators are playing the wrong game. They chase the algorithm. They jump on every trend, they go viral. Then they wonder why nobody's buying their product or courses. Why their email list is tiny. They get exposure, but they don't get the business. Here's the secret. Virality builds exposure, but the trust builds business. And trust isn't built with a single lucky video. It's built over time through content that's consistent, clear, and most importantly, human. So let's stop chasing likes and start creating leverage. The leverage of being the one person your audience trusts to solve their problem. So how do we do that? We use a system I call the Trust Content Pyramid. Think of your content blueprint. It has the 3 distinct layers, and each one plays a crucial role in turning a complete stranger into a loyal fan. Awareness content gets attention. I call it the handshake. This is the base of the pyramid. This is your initial handshake with a new audience member. It's designed to stop the scroll. Think hooks, short form reels or TikTok, compelling cursors or engaging Twitter trends. This is where you leverage a trending sound or a current event to get your foot in the door. The goal is visibility and getting your content in front of new audience. Content connection, building emotion. This is the middle layer. Once you have their attention, you have to earn their empathy. This is where you get human. Share personal stories, take people behind the scenes, talk about the struggles you have overcome or the failures you have learned from. This isn't about what's being perfect, it's about being relatable. Goal is to build a relationship and showing the face behind the brand. Authority content earns trust. This is the top of the pyramid and it's the most important part of building a business. This is where you demonstrate your expertise. This is your masterclass content. We are talking about in-depth educational posts, detail how to guide, case studies or the framework you use every day. This is the content that says, I know what I'm talking about. The goal, earning trust and positioning yourself as the go-to expert. The magic happens when you don't just post one type of content. The key is to rotate between these types weekly. This is how random account becomes someone's go-to source. So let's make this real. Here are a few examples of what this content actually looks like in 2025. You can post these this week. The viral AI generated cursor. Hook. I asked AI to tell me 3 biggest trends in social media marketing for 2025 and it went wrong. Here's what it missed. The format can be a dynamic cursor post or a reel using a trending AI generated video style. You're using a trend to get attention, but then you are delivering your own unique insight. The vulnerability post. 2 years ago, my business failed. I lost everything. I remember the day I had 0 comments, 0 likes, and a handful of followers. But I kept showing up because the dream was bigger than the doubt. If you are in the same spot right now, you are not alone. This type of format is perfect on Instagram stories. with a voiceover, a microblog post on LinkedIn, or even a raw, unedited video with a simple personal caption. The deep dive YouTube video. In a post. Here's my 4-step system for using the latest AI video editor to create a studio quality content in under an hour. This is your long form video, a compressive blog post, or downloadable guide. This is where you get away with your best stuff for free to prove your expertise. Each piece plays a distinct role. The AI post gets the initial traffic. The vulnerability post makes people feel connected to you. The AI tutorial proves you know your stuff. Together, they build a compound trust. And now we get to answer our open question. What did Sarah, the viral creator, do wrong? There's one thing that builds more trust than anything else, even more than a perfect post. It's consistency. She wasn't predictable. She only posted when she was in the mood. She only posted when her video had a chance of going viral. She wasn't showing up when no one was clapping yet. She wasn't showing up when it was hard. And when you aren't consistent and the audience you don't know when to expect value from you, they stop looking for you. As the saying goes, if you are predictable, you become trustworthy. Your audience will expect you to deliver value, and that expectation is what makes them stay. Your content is your currency. Let's get back to Sarah. The reason her brand failed is that she built her house on foundation of sand. She built it on likes. If she had used the trust content pyramid to post consistently, even after her viral video, she would have turned those millions of viewers into a loyal community and a sustainable business. Your content is not just content, it's a resume, it's your storefront, or in my words, it's your handshake. When you use it with intention, it becomes your most valuable currency. The currency of trust. Your mission this week is simple. Go create one piece of awareness, one piece of connection, and one piece of authority content. I've created a trust content planner, totally free, to help you plan all 3 content types weekly. You can download it below, and don't forget to subscribe. In next episode, we'll go deeper into platforms, where to post, how to repurpose, and what works best for growing your brand in 2025. Check out my latest episode where I talk about psychology of personal branding, or full playlist, building your personal brand in 2025. See you guys later. Peace.